My name is Shahan Charaludi and I am studying in Bcom FNA section D. And the case that I am going to discuss about is SHAH BANO case. Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus SHAH BANO case of 1985, commonly referred to as SHAH BANO case. It is the most controversial maintenance lawsuit in India. Shah Bano was married to Muhammad Ahmad Khan in 1932. He was a renowned lawyer in Indore. They had 5 children, 3 sons and 2 daughters. After 14 years of marriage, in 1946, Muhammad Ahmad Khan married another woman. And in 1975, when Shah Bano was of 62 years, she was disowned by her husband, Muhammad Ahmad Khan, and was thrown out of her matrimonial house along with her children. So, in 1975, she was disowned, and in April of 1978, she brought an appeal under Section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) in presence of Judicial Magistrate of India. The section was related to this section was related to maintenance of wives, children, and parents. So, although she was disowned in 1975, she only made the appeal in 1978. This is because Ahmad Khan actually promised to pay rupees 200 per month to her. But slowly, when he started to stop doing it, that's when she gave the appeal under section 125 of CRPC. So, as a result, Ahmad Khan gave divorce to Shah Bano by uttering the triple talaq, which is just uttering talaq 3 times and you divorce with your wife. It was legal at that time. So after divorcing her, Ahmad Khan said in the court that since she is divorced, Shah Bano is no longer his legal wife, and hence he was not accountable to provide for her maintenance. But still, local court directed him to provide 25 rupees per month to Shah Bano. But 25 rupees was very low. It was not enough for one old woman and her 5 children to survive. So Shah Bano filed a revision application in Madhya Pradesh High Court on 1st July 1980, and Madhya Pradesh High Court increased that maintenance amount to rupees 179.2 20 paise per month. So her maintenance amount got increased. But Muhammad Ahmad Khan did not like this. He filed another petition to appeal before the Supreme Court. So his argument was that since he divorced his wife, it is haram or prohibited by the Islamic law to keep any connection with her. Hence, he is not legally responsible to maintain her. That was his argument. And now this is the main case. So there were two main issues here. One is that whether section 125 of CRPC is concerned with Muslim also or not, with Muslim women. And the second issue was whether the amount of meher given by the husband to wife during the divorce was adequate for wife's maintenance, or was he still liable for her maintenance. So these two were the main issues. So the judgment for this case was like, on 3rd February 1981, Supreme Court gave the conclusion to this case. Muhammad Ahmad Khan's plea was banished, and the verdict of the High Court was validated, which stated that she will get a maintenance amount. And the court held that section 125 subsection 3 of CRPC is also applicable for a Muslim woman, is also applicable for Muslim women, and without any discrimination. Also, the Supreme Court concluded that the Section 125 and the Muslim personal law had no conflict with each other. Hence, it will remain the duty of a Muslim husband to provide maintenance for a divorced wife who is not able to maintain herself. So, the personal law or the Muslim personal law did not conflict, and the husband has to provide maintenance for his divorced wife if she can't maintain herself. And Supreme Court finally concluded this also, that the husband's legal liability will come to an end only if the divorced wife is competent to maintain herself. So that was the judgment, the final judgment of the Shah Bano case.